Hello everyone, it's Neil from Lancaster Automart. I hope you're all doing really well. We've got 2019 Starlight Blue Metallic Volkswagen Caddy. It's a 2 litre TDI C20 Highline. It's got 42,284 miles and it's a diesel manual. Absolutely gorgeous panel van. It's got the 15-inch alloy wheels in the silver. Really lovely condition on all four alloys. It's got the electronic adjustable and heated door mirrors, automatic activation, halogen headlights, rear parking sensors. It's got a side opening door and a dual zone opening at the rear, which I'll show you at the end of the video. Overall, really gorgeous, lovely van. Rear parking sensors, as you can see. I'll just show you inside. Inside the vehicle, it's got the electronic adjustable windows, storage compartment. It's got the open and lock. It's got the electronic adjustable door mirrors with the heat mechanism, cloth black seats in really good condition. So the automatic activation headlights comes with two lovely keys. It's got multi-function steering wheel with features such as voice control, Bluetooth hands-free, and there's also the cruise control and the headlight indicator and the wiper indicator just there. It's got 42,284 miles on the clock. It's got a lovely little storage compartment at the top, air conditioning with a front heated windscreen. It's got the radio, which includes FM, AM and DAB. It's got the media, which has Bluetooth integration, telephone preparation. There's also voice control, sat-nav navigation within the UK. Nice and clear, very responsive. It's got a change in sound, which I'll show you now. It's got rear parking sensors. Down at the bottom here, it's got the stop and start, traction control off, a USB port, auxiliary port, 12-volt plug socket, is a 5-gear knob, two cup holders, and two cup holders there at the back, and a mechanical parking brake. Storage compartment just there as well, but overall really well looked after van. The back is a panel van, plenty of storage as well looked after. There is a little jack there, and it also has a side opening door which works perfectly fine, which I'll show you now. Side opening door, easy access. But yeah, overall, really gorgeous, practical van. There you go. There's a final look at the vehicle. If you do need any more further information or pictures of the vehicle, or information about your own part exchange or finance in the vehicle, just give us a call or send us a message. Cheers, guys.